Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn with Ease. Today in this video I will be teaching you the distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. We will learn about the distributive property today. But before that students, if you find my video to be useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So children, today's topic is find the product using distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. So here we have a very large multiplication sum, that is 678 multiplied by 999. Now note one thing students, if we multiply 678 by 999 in the normal way, then it would be a very time taking process. So what we can do to reduce our time, we can solve this sum by the distributive property of multiplication. So how can we do that? For that we have to break up one of these two numbers in such a way so that we can break it in terms of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So here we can see if we take the second number, that is 999. So this 999 we can break this number as, or we can write this number as 1000 minus 1. If you subtract 1 from 1000, then you will get 999. So what we will do? We will just rewrite this same question as 678 multiplied by, we will put a bracket. In place of 999, we will write 1000 minus 1. Okay. Now how to solve it? Now you see here. Here, first we have to multiply 678 by 1000. So I'm writing this 678 multiplied by 1000. Then under this minus sign, we will have to put this minus sign. Then again we will have to multiply the same number 678 by 1. Okay. Now you can see that there are two mathematical operations here. What are they? One is multiplication and the other one is subtraction. So which operation we will do first? For that children, we have to know the BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS rule, this M stands for multiplication and this S stands for subtraction. So here we are having only two operations, multiplication and subtraction. So we will be concerned with these two operations only here. So you can see here, according to BODMAS rule, multiplication comes first and then comes the subtraction. So for that what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication parts at the beginning. So here we have to multiply first 678 into 1000. This we can do it very easily. We are having 3 zeros in 1000. So we will put 3 zeros from the right hand side. Then we are having 678 multiplied by 1, which is 678 obviously, because if you multiply any number by 1, you will get that number only. Then again under this minus sign, I will put the minus sign. Then 678 multiplied by 1 is very easy, 678. Now what we will do? We will just do the subtraction part. Now we are only left with the subtraction part, that is 6,78,000 minus 678. Now if you subtract this, you will get 6,77,322 and this is your answer. So see, this answer came very easily within a very short span of time. So by using this distributive property of multiplication, we can solve large multiplications very easily. Okay, rather than the usual method of multiplication which we do. Now, let us take another example. Suppose I am taking another sum, that is 572 multiplied by 103. Okay, so this also we can see that this multiplication sum is a very large one, so the calculation will be very large. So for that, here also we will apply the distributive property of multiplication. Now I have just now told you in the previous sum that you have to select one number and you have to break it in such a way so that that number can be broken up in terms of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, like this. So we can see here this number 103, this number. Okay, this 103 we can break it as 100 plus 3, right? 103 we can break it as 100 plus 3. So we will just rewrite this sum as 572 multiplied by, we will put a bracket. Now in the place of 103 we will write 100 plus 3. Okay, now the method is the same. What we will do? We will, first of all, we will do the multiplication. So 572 into 100. Then under this plus sign, we will put the plus sign. Then again 572 multiplied by 3. Now 572 multiplied by 100, it is very easy. That is, you will just put the, we are having 2 zeros in 100, so we will put 2 zeros from the right hand side. Then 572 into 1 is 572. Then again under this plus sign we will put the plus sign. Then we will do 572 multiplied by 3. Okay, we will get 1716. Now you can have this question in your mind, that why we have done the multiplication first and we have not done the addition first. So again, this is because of the BODMAS rule, BODMAS. So here we are having two operations, those are multiplication and addition. So according to BODMAS rule, we can see that multiplication is coming first and then the addition comes. So we have done the multiplication first. Now we will do the addition part. Now here 57200 plus 1716, if you add these numbers up, you will get 58,916, and this is your answer. Okay, so I hope students, you have understood this distributive property of multiplication, and it helps us to perform very long multiplication calculations easily. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So do subscribe to my channel, children. Thank you.